Hello and welcome to patient positioning. Here we are looking at the Fowler's position. Fowler's position is very common, guys. Okay, we always talk about place the patient in Fowler's position. We're saying that this position is often referred to as semi-sitting position with the head of the bed elevated like a beach chair. How many of you have been at the beach? Yes, the standard elevation for the Fowler's position is often 45 and 60 degrees, although low Fowlers and semi-Fowlers can use slightly lower angles. A high Fowler's position elevates the bed even higher until the patient nearly sits upright. So when is this position used? When is the Fowler's position used? This position helps patients breathe easily. So RNs can use high Fowler's position for patients experiencing high blood pressure. Okay, you put them in Fowler's position. So guys, we have what we call low Fowler's, okay, low Fowlers, semi-Fowlers, and high Fowlers. When you start with the low Fowlers, you're saying patients are preparing to walk again, might start using this position more as it gives nurses the chance to watch for signs of dizziness. So assume the patient in low Fowlers. Okay, it can also be used for neurosurgery. What to watch for is when your patients use this position, you want to encourage them to spend a few hours a day resting without a headrest or a pillow. This helps the neck fully stretch and helps the patient avoid neck flexion contractures. So you need to watch for signs for DVT in lower extremities. Okay? What about the semi-Fowlers? In semi-Fowlers position, the head of the bed is raised 30 to 45 degrees. So semi-Fowlers position can be used when the patient faces difficult breathing or is undergoing breathing treatment and when drainage occurs after abdominoplasty. Okay, and this is how we place the patient in semi-Fowlers position. Remember the angle, 30 to 45 degrees. What about high Fowler's position? This is how we place the patient in high Fowler's position. So this is full Fowler's position, high Fowler's position. So the head of the bed is raised between 60 to 90 degrees. So what happens in high Fowler's position is usually prescribed to elderly patients as it is scientifically proven to aid in digestion. Okay? And helps the patient overcome breathing problems. So this is the position we use for elderly patients. It helps in digestion, okay, and overcome breathing problems, okay. Thank you so much, and that is how we talk about Fowler's position. Talk about low Fowler's, semi-Fowler's, and high Fowler's. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.